Respect is one of the most important aspects of a relationship, whether it be one with your self-identity or with other people. Treating people with respect means valuing their feelings and views, and showing consideration for their abilities and worth. Do you wish there were ways to make yourself seem deserving of respect from other people? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Number 1. Prolong your eye contact. Holding your gaze when you meet another person's eyes is a key way to convey a feeling of mutual respect. It can strengthen communication and even make you seem more genuine and of importance. Eye contact can help you be taken more seriously and make your words seem more memorable. Number 2. Don't be afraid to confront your weaknesses. People do not necessarily care about your mistakes or shortcomings. We are all human. Rather, they may judge you based on how you accept and deal with your mistakes and your ability to be vulnerable. You can show confidence and attain respect by sharing and confronting your flaws genuinely. Number 3. Give frequent and genuine compliments. Respecting and complimenting others can draw respect to yourself, as it signals to others your authenticity and kindness. A single compliment can mean a lot to some people, and they will often remember your support and return the respect you had given them in the future. Number 4. Dress to impress. Wearing nice clothes can give you opportunities to change others' first impressions of you. Clothes can be a confidence booster and a manner of self-expression that can help you command respect. While most make the mistake of dressing to blend in with others to avoid being judged, you should dress in a way that makes you feel your best and stand out with your personal charm. Number 5. Respond, not react. Control your emotions. Those with high emotional control, maintaining personal composure during times of stress or excitement, are often more respected and likable. This is not to say that to be respected, you should suppress your emotions, but rather, you should think about which emotions would be appropriate to express in certain situations. Number 6. Become an attentive listener. To create a climate of mutual respect with others, the thoughts and opinions of everybody should be valued. In order to command respect, you should learn to become an attentive and active listener. Doing so can make others feel that they and their beliefs are valued and well thought of, which can cause them to reciprocate the respect and attention. And finally, respect should be a mutual thing between two people. If someone is giving you a hard time, remember that it is always an option to cut them out of your life and surround yourself with better people. Your mental health should be a priority. We hope you can use some of these tricks to help you command the respect you deserve and need. Thank you for listening. Please consider subscribing the channel and like the video.